Welcome to the Rocket Software YouTube channel for LegaSuite. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to improve problem resolution at development time by configuring error conditions in your projects. Additionally, we'll review ways to address those problems in the latest version of LegaSuite. First, I would like to discuss configuring your project compiler preferences. When developing a GUI builder project, invoking severity levels of error, warning, or ignore in the compiler preferences will inform the developer of possible issues in the project. To configure the compiler preferences for LegaSuite Workbench affecting all GUI projects, navigate to the Preferences. This is done by going to Window, Preferences. Next, expand LegaSuite, GUI Builder, Compilers. Each option can be configured as a warning, error, or ignore. Both warnings and errors will display in the project's problem view during runtime, while no action is taken when an ignore condition is met. Let's review some of the compiler preferences. Under Panels, we have the Screen section. Here I could set error, warning, or ignore for whenever a screen is not found. Next we have Controls. This will check for missing features on your panels, for instance when font styles are not found or duplicate field IDs are present. Next we have References. This will check for invalid references to the various objects on your screen. When you have finished configuring your compiler preferences, select OK. You can also configure your compiler preferences for individual projects. To do that, navigate to Project Settings, go to Compiler Preferences, and ensure that Enable Project-Specific Settings is checked. Now you can configure the compiler preferences. When problems are found on your panels, they are displayed in the Problems view. You can navigate quickly to the identified problem directly from the Problems view. Double-clicking on the error will navigate to the panel, open it if necessary, with the affected field automatically selected. Here I have duplicate user ID fields. Double-clicking on the error message takes me directly to the affected field. Now I can go to Properties and make the changes to fix that. Alternatively, we can see the errors in the outline view here on the left-hand side of the screen. Selecting the error field will also navigate directly to that field, where you can go to Properties and make the changes necessary to fix it. And that's it. Thank you, and see you next time on the Rocket YouTube channel.